Everyone, welcome back to the channel Code and Clarity. Today we are doing one of the most important topics for any fresher, that is aptitude for campus placements. If you are preparing for any service-based companies or basically any IT company, aptitude is the first elimination round. And trust me, 60 to 70% students get rejected right here. So in this video, I am going to give you the complete aptitude guide, what to study, how to study, fast tricks, and a 30-day plan that will make you placement ready. Now, the next question is why aptitude matters. Companies want people who think fast, solve logically, and stay calm under pressure. Aptitude tests exactly that. It doesn't matter if you are a coder or a non-coder, aptitude is common. If you crack this round with a high score, your chances of reaching the interview stage shoot up instantly. Now, what are the aptitude sections? There are basically three major aptitude sections. One is quantitative aptitude, the next is logical reasoning, and the next is verbal ability. Some companies also include situational judgment tests where they check how you react in some given workplace situations. Now, the explanation of quantitative aptitude. Quant looks scary, but it's actually very logical. Topics like percentage, time and work, averages, this come in every exam. The trick is to understand the formula once and then practice 20 to 30 questions per topic. For example, if A can finish a work in 10 days and B can in 20 days, so this type of problems repeat a lot. Once you understand the pattern, they become super easy. Now, what are some of the important quant topics? Number system, percentages, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, time and work, time, speed, distance, ratio and proportion, averages, permutations and combinations, probability and data interpretation. Now, next is logical reasoning. So, logical is the scoring section. Coding, decoding, blood relations, directions, these don't need formulas. They need clarity. So practice 4 to 5 puzzles every day and your reasoning speed will double in a week. So coding, decoding, blood relations, directions, syllogisms, sitting arrangements, puzzles, series completion, pattern recognition, etc. are basically the logical reasoning topics. Now, the next part is verbal ability. Students usually ignore verbal, but companies don't. Reading comprehension, grammar, sentence correction. If you get this wrong, it affects your overall score. So just 15 minutes of reading English daily helps a lot. So what are some of the verbal ability topics? Some verbal ability topics are reading comprehension, error spotting, fill in the blanks, sentence rearrangement, synonyms and antonyms, vocabulary basics. So these are some of the important verbal ability topics. Next is the speed calculation. Aptitude is not about answering correctly, it's about answering fast. Improve your calculation speed, that is, learn 1 to 25 squares, learn quick shortcuts for percentages, practice multiplication tricks, use approximation whenever possible. So this saves minutes in the exam. So learn the Vedic math basics, square and cube shortcuts, percentage calculation tricks, multiplication shortcuts and approximation techniques. Now next is the 30 days study plan. Here's exactly how you can prepare in 30 days. You have to practice 1 hour quant, 45 minutes logical and 30 minutes verbal, and you have to give a weekly mock test on Sundays. If you follow this consistently, your aptitude will drastically improve. Now some of the best books and resources. Use India Bix, Prepensta, R.S. Agarwal and mock test on AMCAT or CoCubes. These mimic the exam pattern. Now some of the company specific patterns, like TCS focuses more on reasoning, Infosys loves tricky maths, Deloitte adds SJT, and Accenture gives easy questions but very strict time limits. So these are some of the company specific patterns. Other companies have different patterns, but basically the content is same and the question also comes from these areas only. What are the mistakes to avoid? Don't memorize formulas blindly, and don't skip the mock tests, and also don't panic in the exam. So these are some of the pro tips. and so avoiding these mistakes can help you score well. Now some final tips. Just build the speed, practice chapter wise, focus much more on accuracy, and give 5 to 10 complete mock tests, and stay calm, do not panic in the exam. And that's your complete guide for aptitude in campus placements. If you want a video on aptitude shortcuts and tricks, comment Aptitude Master below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.